Hello and welcome to Zimbabwe Media. In other stories, American streamer IShowSpeed is now streaming live from the great nation of Zimbabwe. He has streamed at the Harare CBD as seen at the Mbuyane statue in central Harare. IShowSpeed also met Chidoma Enzanise, who is known as the strongest woman in Africa. He didn't believe it at first until she lifted him like he weighs nothing.
Holy! 28 medals. You got 2 gold medals? 28. 28? Yes. Oh my goodness. 28 medals. Wow, I would love to. Yes. You stronger than me? Yes, no problem. Really? I can lift you. You can lift me? Yes, using one hand. Yeah, on hand? Yes. Right now? I would love to see this. What do you want me to do? Oh! Oh!
IShowSpeed also met his biggest fan.
Speed! 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 Okay! No! 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 Speed! 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 Come on, Missouri! One time, Missouri! Missouri! One time! One time! Can I get a hug?
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.